Hello everybody, welcome back to another Let's Plan video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook login error. An unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again on your iPhone iOS 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen. Or let me check my software here. You can see I'm using iOS 15 version here. You can see here. So actually I have 6 methods to solve this problem. So hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. So let's start now. For the first method, what you have to do is just open up settings app here, and then from here tap on mobile data if you are using mobile data, and then tap here on mobile data options, and then from here you have to make sure that load data mode toggle is turned off here. In case it's turned on, you have to turn off here. And if you are using the Wi-Fi connection, then tap here on Wi-Fi connection, and from here check whether you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, or disable this one and then enable it again, or disable the Wi-Fi connection and then turn on your mobile data and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the second one. For that, what you have to do is just open up App Store here, and here search for the Facebook app, and here is the Facebook. So if your Facebook is asking for the update, you have to update your Facebook, and then after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, just uninstall your Facebook app and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on and then install your Facebook app and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the fourth one. For that, again open up settings app here, and then scroll it down here, and then tap here on general, and then scroll it down and tap here on iPhone story. And then from here what you have to do is just scroll it down and find here Facebook and tap it, and after that tap here on offload app, and again tap here on offload app to confirm the process. And once it has been offloaded, tap here on reinstall, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the fifth one. For that, again open up settings app on your device here, and then scroll it down and again tap here on general, and again scroll it down all the way here and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then from here tap on reset. And from here what you have to do, just reset network settings. So tap it, enter your passcode here, and then again tap here on reset network settings to confirm the process, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the last method. So there might be any bugs in the Facebook, so hopefully after some days it will be fixed. So till that, what you have to do is just open up any browser on your iPhone, and then search here for facebook.com. Here it is. So search for this, and here enter your email address and password, and tap here on login, and you can enjoy your Facebook here until the problem has been fixed by the Facebook team. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.